Hello everyone, this is Rishti. Welcome back to episode 2 of Freshers Guide, where today's topic of discussion would be how do you get your first internship. Here are a few simple steps that you could follow. Second thing is, thank you so much. Now we are a family of 1000 subscribers, and I'm very grateful to each one of you. Let's get started. Here are 8 simple steps that I'll be breaking down. So the first one is you need to build 2 3 projects. I mean, 2 is also fine. So before applying to anywhere, make sure that you have something to showcase, right? Because if you don't have experience, you need a project to showcase your knowledge. Fine. One strong project based on actual biological problem or industry problem is better than having 10 certification courses that are of basic level. So here I'll be displaying some topics which you can select for your project building. Then second point is put your work out there on GitHub. Recruiters can see it. Don't just write that you did an RNA-seq analysis on your resume, but put that project on GitHub, document what you did, like where did you get the data sets from, what was the work step or the workflow thing. Just mention all of that thing in a document which gives a proof of concept to the recruiters that you have built some real world project. Explain the biological question that you're solving because your project becomes your experience substitute, right? Then third is apply directly to companies. Now don't just wait for the title to pop in like okay requirement of a bioinformatics intern. Instead search for bioinformatic companies, genomic companies, clinical genomic companies, biotech startups, and I'm just mentioning all the companies that you can search for. The field of the companies, not the companies name exactly in this video. Maybe we could do that later. The drug discovery company research lab, check their career pages, their LinkedIn, Naukri profiles, and everything. Next thing you can do is cold message people on LinkedIn, email them. You get the ideas sometimes from the email, or there's an email extension that not an email extension. There's some Chrome extension that give you the email IDs from LinkedIn. Download that. That's a trick that I used to follow. Yeah, so you can also do that. Don't just ask for a job immediately. Don't be like, oh, please give me an internship. I'm looking for that for so long. Don't be like that. It needs to be curated in a way that you don't look desperate. So here is the format that you can follow. Like, hi, I'm a biotech student. I'm learning bioinformatics. I recently worked on suppose RNA-seq analysis, and I'm looking for an opportunity to gain an industry experience. And I came across your profile, and you're working at that particular organization. And I would love to know if there are any vacancies or any internship opportunities in the team. That's how you can ask or cold message the people. Now, the fifth point is use your LinkedIn strategically. Follow bioinformaticians, follow hiring managers, follow HRs, recruiters, scientists, founders of the biotech or bioinformatic companies. Then engage with their work genuinely and also post yours because ultimate point is visibility. If your work is visible, then only they'll get an idea that okay, you are somewhere that we could hire you as well. If your work is not visible, you are not visible, no one knows that what are you looking for, right? So you have to be out on LinkedIn, you need to post, have some online presence. It's not that just post randomly, but a good post would really make sense. Then comes the sixth point is don't just apply for the bioinformatics internship, right? Sometimes what happens is companies have their different titles for the same kind of work. So it can be a bioinformatics intern, a research intern, or an NGS intern, computational biology intern. And likewise, I'm mentioning this. So these are basically the work would be interrelated, but the title would be different. So you can search for that as well. Now, seventh point is stay connected with your seniors in college. Even if you are from a worst college, this point would definitely help you because, of course, your seniors must also be looking for the job and they might be into a position where they could refer you. So, yeah, you can ask the referral from them. That's a good option actually. And then the last point is your college placement cell. It plays a very important role. That's why I usually focus on getting a college which provide placements because it gives you a head start. And the placement cell has a good opportunity or a contact kind of thing with the industry companies, right? So if you have one, you can just go ahead with that. If not, your college seniors or maybe the teachers in your college, they should also work fine. But of course, they can't help everyone, right? So mostly these are the techniques that you can follow. And I would like to conclude that if you are having an industry connection around the field, it's very good. Of course, no one has it from day one. You need to build it. But just to crack your first internship, you don't need any such thing necessarily. So all you need is visibility, your proof of skill, systematic application strategy. That would be enough to get you ahead. And sometimes I would say it's a luck based thing also, but definitely we should all contribute our own efforts. That's when only we see the result. That's pretty much it for this video. And also let me know what topic you want next. And also I'm planning to bring up some projects. Suppose this is the proteomics project that you can build. This is the transcriptomic project. If it interests you, you can go ahead with that, and it helps you in a way to select the topics. So if that works, do let me know in the comment sections, or if you have any other doubt which I need to make a video on, let me know that as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.